What it do, YouTube? Back with another video. I got some juicy things to tell y'all. One, I found something to help the audio quality. If the video looks kind of blurry, I'm recording off my phone. My camera is a little bit cracked, so it might have like a little glare here and there or whatever. But I found something to help the audio quality of the videos. It's this wireless microphone. Comes with two. Apparently it makes the videos sound crispy, like open a bag of chips. But anyway, how's everybody doing? It's been a minute, as always. I like coming back in months. But yes, we have good news to tell everybody about this Subaru. It's about to go down. It's about to make a change. It already has changes. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see all the changes. I really don't only post maybe like 2 like YouTube reels of the car now. And I did a little bit more after that. So I'm gonna give you a rundown on what is done to the car already. I got an access port. I dropped in little like a drop-in air filter, like a Canon air filter. It doesn't really need a tune, but I am tuned. I'm OTS tuned 93 pump gas, stage 1. Car runs okay. I did have like a first couple months that I had the access port. I did have a little bit issues with it, but it's kind of like it seems fixed now. It shows feedback knock, and I know feedback knock is not always a good thing, but I heard that these FA motors are very sensitive to knock. So I do get a little bit of feedback knock here and there. But when I first got it, my dam used to drop to like 0.875. And I called the COBB and like to make sure like everything was fine. Like, is that a problem? Do I need to worry about it? They said no, it's usually normal. The FA motors are sensitive. It's been maybe a month now, and I only get a little bit of feedback knock, and my dam stays at 1. Every time my dam used to drop, and I think maybe it's because of the weather too. The weather is fluctuating. I used to just re-flash the car every single time. So yeah, so I'm stage 1 as of right now, just for right now. I did a little cosmetics. I have the lit underglow kit. I have the lit underglow kit. I have a lit logo, WRX on the car. I have this little interior piece. I have this little hoodie, little shift knob hoodie. Um, that's pretty much all the stuff I did. Oh, I got rims. I got coilovers. I have my coilovers are yellow speed. Yeah, yellow speed coilovers. I got rims. They are, I think there's, how you pronounce this, ADOHAN 01. I can show y'all all the outside stuff when I get out of the car. But I have some juicy stuff in the trunk of this car. I can't wait to show everybody. It's at it's the 4th of July. I'm recording on the 4th of July. I just got off of work too. So happy 4th of July. My birthday is tomorrow, just in case nobody noticed or anybody know. Yeah, my birthday is July 5th. I'm turning 24. Yeah, I'm old. Um, but yeah, I got stuff in the trunk. A a lot of things been happening, as in car wise. I got sponsored by Mishimoto not too long ago, the other day. That's a good thing. I'm trying to see if I can get pairing along with the build. Might not. I'm gonna reach out again and see if I can get them. If not, it is what it is. Um, just trying to get a little help, not a little help, but trying to get support as I build my WRX the way I want to. Um, but yeah, let's get into it a little bit. I'm not trying to make this video long. I'm trying to do this quick because I got stuff to do and I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm gonna show y'all the outside of the car, tell y'all what's done. Well, show y'all what's done. I have a little stuff done for right now, but I'll show y'all. All right, so do I got my keys? No, they're in the car. So I got ADOHAN wheels. It is lowered. Looks good. Got my little Instagram and YouTube thing. So if you see me on the road, say hi. Oh look, there's my key. Um, I got fog lights, better fog lights. I still got OEM headlights, as you see. I got the lit logo. Car is dirty. Got this carbon fiber lip. I don't know if y'all can see, but look, there's the strip. I took some of it off because I have to redo it. When I jacked up the car, I kind of ripped one of the sides, but the car is lowered evenly all around. I have aftermarket taillights. I love these. I will be getting them cracked open very soon. So right now they're chrome on the inside to go with the theme. So chrome taillights, chrome rims, and chrome headlights. Clear with like a dark tint to it. I have a fourth brake light. That's known. I do have a new exhaust. I have a single exit exhaust, as you can see. 3 inch all the way back, 4.5 inch tip. Love it. It's very deep. Matter of fact, I'll let y'all. I give you a little start. Well, it's a warm start, but let y'all listen to it for a quick second. It sounds okay, but I need louder. Uh, as you can hear, it's deep settle. Nothing too crazy. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Uh, that's the access port. All right. So now, get into this trunk. Excuse the mess. It's dirty. Oh, it's not open. Now it is. Dun 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 dun. Hoo wee, hoo wee. We got some parts. We got some parts. So right here is it's a, I'm gonna just say it's a 4 inch top mount intercooler, and I also have the charge pipe right here. Like I said, excuse the mess. And then y'all see this bad boy underneath, right? Y'all know what this is, right? Y'all know what this is, right? See if I can move it. We are going catless. Whoa. Not catless. Competition. In case people are watching. The tuners. They call it a competition J pipe. So remember that. It's not catless. It's competition. So yes, we have a competition J pipe ready to go in a car. Right now, these are not going in a car. I'm going to send this off to get powder coated a certain color. Stay tuned for that. But I do have well, I still have to go pick up parts. Like I said, it's my birthday, so I'm just spoiling myself as much as I can for right now. I do have parts to pick up Saturday, and Saturday I will be throwing those on immediately. And then with the charge pipe. So I'm missing a couple of parts for the charge pipe. I bought it off of somebody for the low. I had a good deal, charge pipe and top mount for a steal, so I was like, might as well. So I have to get another charge pipe from MISHIMOTO. Um, and that will be coming within within these next 2 weeks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the charge pipe powder coated and the top mount powder coated, and I'm gonna order the other part, but I'm gonna run the new charge pipe until this one gets powder coated. So when I get it tuned and all that, I will have the tune with the charge pipe. But when the powder coated one comes back, I'm going to put that one instead, so it'll be complete. As for power mods, it's pretty much like I said. It's literally gonna be 3 inch all the way back from the turbo back, so it's gonna be loud. Hopefully I can get little flames. I want flames, and see if the tuner can spice it up a little bit. Most likely I'll try to hit maybe like 325. It's still on 93, so I'm not flex fuel yet. That's later down the line. Um, yeah, that's pretty much what's all done with the car. So we have a lot of parts to install and to ship out and wait for parts to arrive. But yeah, I told y'all I'm turning up. My V6 charger was good, but this is faster. This is better, way better, and I can't wait. I'm excited for this build. I'm literally almost done. It's literally a few more things I gotta do, and it'll be done. Like I said, it's my daily driver. I bought the car with 11,000 miles on it. Now it has 30,000. So yeah, daily driver. I only had it for a year so far, and I did all this stuff to it already, and I love it. Um, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'll probably, like I said, this Saturday I should be able to make another video. I am off of work. Um, I'll be showing the install of the parts that I'm getting Saturday. So I check y'all later. I appreciate y'all stopping by. I've been around. I haven't been MIA. I just been around. I've been chilling, living my best life. Like I said, tomorrow's my birthday, so it is what it is. I catch y'all on the next one. See y'all.